Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into the world of Australian visa applications. Whether you're planning to study, work, or visit, understanding the application process is essential for a smooth transition. Australia offers various visa types, including student visas, work visas, tourist visas, and options for permanent residency. Each serves a unique purpose, so it's crucial to choose the right one for your needs. Next, let's discuss the eligibility criteria. To qualify for a visa, you'll need to meet specific requirements such as age, qualifications, work experience, and English language proficiency. Now, onto documentation. Every visa application requires essential papers such as your passport, academic records, employment letters, and financial statements. Ensuring all documents are in order is crucial. Understanding processing times can help you plan accordingly. Visa processing times can vary significantly, depending on the visa type and current application loads. Each visa comes with specific fees. It's vital to budget for these costs to avoid any surprises during your application process. Let's break down the costs involved. Avoiding common mistakes can make a big difference. Incomplete applications, incorrect information, and missing documents are frequent pitfalls. Pay attention to the details. If your application requires an interview, knowing what to expect is key. Be prepared to discuss your background, intentions, and plans in Australia. In case your application gets rejected, don't lose hope. The visa appeal process allows you to apply for a review of the decision. Familiarize yourself with your options. To wrap up, remember that preparation is vital for a successful visa application. Understand the requirements, keep your documents ready, and avoid common pitfalls to enhance your chances of approval.